You can now make online payments to SLPA Clearing Pass Management System via GovPay.
The Commission to investigate allegations of bribery or corruption filed charges against the former Minister of Sports, Mahindananda and the former Minister of Trade and ex-chairman of Lanka, Nalin Fernando, accusing them of causing a 53.1 million rupee loss to the government. According to the Bribery Commission, the loss was caused when the two ministers sanctioned the import of 14,000 carom boards and 11,000 checkerboards via Lanka for distribution to sports clubs in the lead up to the 2015 presidential election. The Bribery Commission filed charges before the Colombo Permanent High Court trial at Bar. The Commission filed 6 charges against the suspects and filed indictments in 2016 under the offence of corruption pursuant to Section 70 of the Bribery Act No. 20 of 1994. Assistant Director of the Bribery Commission, Attorney at Law Anuttara Jayasinghe, led the prosecution along with Attorney at Law Tushari Jayaratna. Meanwhile, WAN Vikramasinghe served as the investigating officer in the matter. Presiding Judge Mahesh Veeraman, who announced the verdict on behalf of the 3-member bench of High Court, stated that the bench unanimously decided to convict the defendants as the prosecution had succeeded in proving the charges against them. President's counsel Anil Silva, appearing on behalf of former Minister Nalin Fernando, submitted that his client only opened letters of credit related to this transaction and so urged the court to consider a more lenient sentence. Meanwhile, President's counsel Shanka Ranasinghe, appearing on behalf of former Minister Mahindananda drew attention to the lack of evidence to suggest that the former Minister benefited from the import of sports equipment. Citing the lack of evidence, President's counsel Shanka Ranasinghe too urged the court to consider a more lenient sentence for his client, former Minister Mahindananda. Appearing for the Bribery Commission, Assistant Director, Attorney at Law Anuttara Jayasinghe submitted in court that the former ministers have misused their power and that they have caused a significant financial loss to the government and the public. Considering the pleadings made by all relative parties, the Colombo Permanent High Court trial at Bar sentenced former Minister Mahindananda to 20 years rigorous imprisonment, while former Minister Nalin Fernando was passed a sentence of 25 years rigorous imprisonment. Additionally, the Colombo Permanent High Court trial at Bar imposed separate fines on both former ministers. Accordingly, 200,000 rupees were charged against Mahindananda while 400,000 rupees were charged against Nalin Fernando. Soon after the verdict was announced, the two ministers were detained at the Colombo Chief Magistrates Court premises. They were subsequently transported to the Velikada prison.